While we were staying at Moab, along with the Arches National Park, we also decided to go see Canyonland and Dead Horse Point. All I can say is wow. We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. When you come in off of Route 313, you can take the road to the left that'll take you to the Dead Horse State Park. If you keep going straight, it'll take you into Canyonlands and into Island in the Sky. As you travel down the road in Canyonlands, you'll see the island in the sky and many overlooks, including the Mesa Arch. It's just fantastic. Be sure to see the Mesa Arch and the Grandview Point overlook at the end of the road. My God, we've run into you again.
Hi, guys.
Oh. Hey, sweet travels. There's Jim. Where's Kelly?
She's getting out.
Hi.
I know you.
Time to go to walk up to Mesa Arch.
Cool. Let me throw this in the garden.
This is the Mesa Arch in Canyonland. In 1964, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed public law establishing Canyonlands National Park. People have visited Canyonlands National Park for over 10,000 years. It consists of over 337,000 acres. The highest point is 5,920 feet.
Well, that's kind of straight down, huh?
Yeah.
That is him on the rocks.
Wow. That's a long way down.
I'll tell you what.
Make you dizzy.
Yeah. I don't care what kind of camera you have.
Uh-huh.
It will not do this justice.
Oh, no.
All right, here we go. Feel better with a little wall in front of me. I don't know if that does it any justice or not.
We're in here hiding, waiting for Chuck and Susan. We're behind the bush.
Can you believe this?
Are we, are we 10 years old?
Yeah, she's probably still in the visitor center.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chuck!
Surprise!
I saw Zippy in the parking lot.
Oh,
You know, you gave it away. Zippy was in the parking lot.
Yeah.
We knew we'd find you.
Schaefer Canyon.
Oh, Schaefer. Yes. Oh, Schaefer. Drops 1,400 feet.
Whoa. Wow.
I'd be a little leery on a bicycle. But
You're doing it.
This isn't where your ATV guide brought you?
no. No.
I think I'd slow and walk around the corner.
No, we didn't have a road once in a while. Yeah. They said in the Grand Canyon they lose about 2 to 3 people a year.
Really?
Yep. We were out there with snow all over the ground, 10 inches of snow, and people are crawling out on these little points that are covered with snow and ice.
Well, they want to do selfies and
doing
they're-
the selfie, and man, you people are stupid.
Stand out here and get it.
Kind of got me just watching.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Whoa.
Are you an Indiana Jones fan?
Oh yeah.
Kelly says when she sees that platform right there, she's seeing Indiana Jones.
Yeah, I would be up there
And
on
then it's
that.
crumbling.
And start crumbling, and I'm running, and it's crumbling behind me.
Oh yeah. Running through the Temple of Doom or something.
And I'm so fast at running, you know.
Oh wow.
Trip on rugs. I can imagine I do.
Oh. I pull a muscle just thinking about running. Oh yeah.
Should we dangle our feet across? No, I won't do
Hey, honey, when you go, unzip your coat and hold it out. It might slow you down a little bit. There you go. I don't have phone service here, so I can't
call 911.
Well, I can't get an insurance policy before she hits.
Put on speed dial.
Let's get a time date stamp on that.
That's Whale Rock. Kind of looks like a beluga, doesn't it?
A big blue whale.
Yeah. This is Holman Spring Canyon Overlook. Not sure if that's Green River or the Colorado River. A little hazy.
Cool. Just amazing. I mean, that thing just jetting out.
I know.
There's Watts on Wheels.
You gotta be kidding me.
I think you're following us.
No, you're stalking us. I can just
We're here
tell.
first. You're following us.
We
Yeah.
love you so much that we can't be away from you.
That's why they call it the Green River.
Oh. Oh. And then you say,
You
you're
gotta-
so pretty.
You got a lesson from Karen and
That's
Watts on
right.
Wheels today. We got a pretty clear day today.
Yeah.
Looks like that show, Training the Ocean. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Some weird shows.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good show.
But it does look like
What's
it.
this thing called?
Green River Overlook. It's compact car parking, right?
I know.
We just invented it.
I know.
Works for me.
What do you think? I think it works. 2 vehicles, 1 spot.
I like that. This is a grand view overlook at Canyonland. You could tell there used to be water.
Yes and no. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. They're both beautiful, but man, this just seems.
They're different. Arches is different. I don't know. I like one better than another. They're just all different.
I like
But-
this better than the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I think I do too. But you could tell where the water was. Isn't that kind of neat?
Yeah.
That used to be a big lake. I don't know what else do you say besides
I know, it's
wow,
just-
amazing.
you just can't-
Holy smokes. Guy got bored and had a good time putting together this puzzle.
Amazing.
Get to see almost see the dinosaurs.
Sand art.
You can almost see the dinosaurs. This is called Buck Overlook.
Buck naked crab.
Buck Canyon. Shut up, Buck Canyon. He
Sounds
likes
like that
ruining
underwear
my-
commercial. What was it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I know what you're talking about.
I am videoing this, you know.
So Jim.
Did you guys like drink before you came out here or anything? Dead Horse Point is a state park and it costs $20 to get in. Motorcycles are $10 each. And you cannot use a national pass for this because it is a state park. According to one legend of the Dead Horse Point, around the turn of the century, the point was used as a corral for wild mustangs roaming the mesa top. Cowboys rounded up these horses, herded them across the narrow neck of land and onto the point. The neck, which is only 30 yards wide, was then fenced off with branches and brush. This created a natural corral surrounded by cliffs straight down on all sides, affording no escape. Cowboys then chose the horses they wanted and let the culls and broomtails go free. One time, for some unknown reason, horses were left corralled on the waterless point where they died of thirst, within view of the Colorado River, 2,000 feet below. Is that that's water over there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's some kind of fireman thing. My dad is down the floor right now.
Doing what?
Going, oh.
Well, he didn't like heights?
Oh no.
This is amazing. Jeez. Dead Horse Point Lookout in the Colorado River.
On video. I'm gonna switch photo.
Amazing.
Ready? That drink is in the way.
Now jail's in the way. Back. Not too far to go fall off a cliff.
I think he did end up in the photo on that one.
Amazing. With his arm or the...
Okay, I took it 2 different ways.
One of the things that we noticed was that there is a stone formation on the ground that looks like a dead horse laying down. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.